At Takeoff.io. Today I want to show you our perimeter feature. So what I've got here is I've measured out the roof area or the building area of my building here, but what I really want to do is capture the perimeter. So rather than doing a separate measurement, I can come in here to the settings wheel. I can select the area perimeter toggle, and I select that the perimeter, hit update, and there you go, the area measurement has now been turned into a perimeter only measurement. What I can also do from that is then go ahead and duplicate that feature, that measurement. I can go in, change the color. I can come back in, put that into the area feature or the area toggle, and now I've got both my perimeter and my area captured, and I've only made one measurement. That's a really quick way of calculating doing your takeoffs using as fewer measurements as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye.